With inspection version 6 or greater, you can restore saved settings from a backup file. This is helpful if unknown changes are made or if replacing or copying a system. If the backup file is on a USB drive, insert the drive into the system. Wait for a few seconds to ensure that the drive is detected. If your application is running, exit to the Inspection System Shell. From the System Shell menu, select Install. Next, navigate to the location of the backup file and select it. Click Open. The available components within the backup will be shown in the Install column. Choose which components to install. The application is the program that runs. For instance, SigPod PSV is an application. The calibration includes the sensor settings. The configuration usually includes the limits, models, and other parameters set within the application. The System Setup component contains offline inspection parameters such as data connector, field bus, and security parameters. By selecting the Clear First column for a component, the files on the system will be deleted before the backup component is installed. The Clear Now button will immediately clear all selected components on the system. Click OK to install the backup file. Once the backup is installed, the Inspection System Shell will appear again. The process is complete. Refer to the solution documents or the Inspection System Shell manual for more information.